So you've probably heard of microneedling, right? Derma rollers? Yeah, some people go to salons to basically get their face punctured with a whole bunch of needles to regenerate their skin. So I thought I'd try an at-home version, a Derma Roller Kit from Amazon. I heard it was very inexpensive and effective. Hey everyone, today I am reviewing a at-home Derma Roller Kit from Amazon, the Amazon seller Beauty Life. Hope I'm saying that correctly. This is a 6-in-1 Derma Roller system. You have loads of Derma Roller heads, stamps, that whole thing in here. You guys, we're going to unbox this and we're going to see exactly what's in here. You have an instruction card here. Very inexpensive kit, you guys. This here, one Derma Roller by itself usually costs a pretty penny, okay? But you get all of them in one kit right here for a small price. So when you unbox the Derma Roller Kit, you have a head that's already attached to the body. This is detachable. So this is the 720 needles for the face. To undo the head off of the body, to detach it, you just twist it sideways and it comes off. Next, we have what we call the Derma Stamp. It is 12 needles. It's for use on topical. Guys, this one looks pretty scary. Look how long the needles are. They are long for a reason. Then we have the 300 needles Derma Roller for the use on the eye. That sounds weird. What? And then for the big one, 1,200 needles, 1,200 needles for the use on the body. So basically, derma rolling is said to treat scar removal, acne scar, stretch mark removal treatment, anti-aging, cellulite treatment, cellulite reduction or removal, hair loss treatment, hair restoration, and hyperpigmentation treatment. Wow. Okay, and lastly, we have our silicone brush. It's just for skin cleaning. This is not any type of needles or anything. It's just a brush. And this little area here is called the disinfection basil. That's where you put your alcohol. Okay, and there's me. We're going to start with the next to the biggest derma roller, which is the 720 needles for the face. I am putting my alcohol in my basin area so I can disinfect this before I use it. Oh, and please detach the head from the body before you disinfect. I let it sit for 8 minutes in the alcohol before using it. I'm starting off with the silicone brush. You're going to want to clean your skin first. And when I tell you guys, oh my gosh, this brush feels so good. Like, I could not stop scrubbing my face with it. I'm actually going to use this on a daily basis because good gosh, the massaging it does to your face, like I just could not stop scrubbing. But I used a face cleaner of my choice. You're gonna want to use something that's very beneficial for your skin. Once you dried your face thoroughly, you're gonna want to choose a skin cream or some sort to put on your face that is also beneficial for your skin, because when we derma roll our face, that will help penetrate this product into your skin. So choose something that's very beneficial. All right, you guys. So this is my first time ever trying micro needling, micro derma rolling. So here goes nothing. It says to go up and down at least 4 to 5 times, up and down, sideways. And then you're going to want to do it diagonal 4 to 5 times also. So 4 to 5 times each direction. And so I also went the other direction too, just to be sure. But yeah. And after you use it, you do want to disinfect. Keep your heads clean, you guys. Keep them clean. Ooh, so my first time using the needles on my face, I have to say it was painless. It was a weird feeling, but it didn't hurt. It didn't hurt at all. It actually felt good. This particular derma roller kit is made for home use, so the sizes of the needles were made to be painless but also effective. 1 millimeter and 0.5 millimeter needles are dangerous for your face. I just want to put that out there. So this kit would be perfect. They have the right sizes for your face and body. I have heard that you will start to see results within 1 to 2 weeks. Your skin will begin to look like shockingly clear, like no flaws at all, almost flawless. I've also seen loads of videos of people using a derma roller for hair and edges restoration, like their hair grows back when they use it. That's something I'll definitely have to try out with this, you guys. But if you guys want to buy this particular kit, you will find the link in the description box. You also get a 20% off. Yay! The coupon code is KF3GVGRF. You will find that in the description box as well. If you're gonna buy, act fast because that code will not last long. I will have to keep you guys updated on this product, but that is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.